Oops, I made a mistake. This is Mina. She loves to draw cats, clouds, and cupcakes. But today, oops, she colored outside the lines. Mina frowned and said, "Oh no, I ruined it." A tiny eraser fairy flew out and said, "Mina, mistakes aren't bad. They help you learn." Mina blinked. "But I feel awful when I mess up." The fairy smiled. "Let me show you something magical." One day, Zara was playing on her computer when, oops, she pressed the wrong key. Suddenly, the screen changed to Mistake World. Purple trees, funny signs, and lots of giggles. A fairy popped up and said, "Mistakes make magic." Zara smiled. Her mistake turned into something amazing. Back home, Mina looked at her drawing again. "Maybe I can turn my mistake into something new." She added stars and sparkles and made the cat look magical. Now it was her favorite drawing ever. "I still make mistakes," Mina said. "But now I see oops. Let's try again." Remember, every mistake is a chance to learn something new. So don't be afraid of oops. They're part of your story. Thanks for watching.